The interplay between genetics and environmental factors forms a complex web that determines the traits and characteristics of an organism. At the heart of this interaction lies the understanding that while genetics provides the foundational blueprint of an organism, the environment plays a crucial role in shaping how these genetic potentials are expressed, ultimately resulting in the observable traits, or phenotypes, we see in living beings. Genetic factors are the inherited traits that are passed down from parents through DNA. This genetic information dictates a wide array of characteristics, from the color of one's eyes to the likelihood of developing certain diseases. For instance, the genetic code harbors instructions that dictate not only physical attributes, but also behavioral tendencies. This inherent potential, however, is not the sole determinant of an organism's traits. Rather, it serves as a canvas upon which environmental influences paint the final picture. Environmental factors encompass a diverse range of external influences that can significantly affect gene expression. These include diet, temperature, exposure to toxins, social interactions, and access to resources. Each of these factors can play a pivotal role in determining how genetic traits manifest. For example, the amount and quality of nutrition during developmental stages can influence physical growth and health, showcasing the profound impact of environmental conditions on genetic potential. The interaction between genetics and environment is not merely additive, it is dynamic and intricate. One of the key concepts in understanding this relationship is gene expression regulation. Environmental cues can trigger changes in gene expression, meaning that certain genes may be activated or silenced based on the surrounding conditions. This responsiveness allows organisms to adapt to their environments, highlighting the fluidity of trait expression. Another fascinating aspect of this interaction is epigenetics, which refers to chemical modifications to DNA that can be influenced by environmental factors. These modifications can alter gene expression without changing the underlying DNA sequence itself. This means that an organism's experiences, such as exposure to stress or a particular diet, can lead to lasting changes in how its genes function, further emphasizing the importance of the environment in shaping phenotypes. The concept of the norm of reaction further illustrates how a single genotype can produce a range of phenotypic outcomes depending on environmental conditions. For example, consider height. While genetics largely determines an individual's potential height, factors such as nutrition during childhood and adolescence can significantly influence how tall a person ultimately becomes. This variability underscores the importance of environmental context in the expression of genetic traits. Specific examples of gene-environment interactions abound in nature and human health. Take phenylketonuria, PKU, a genetic disorder caused by a mutation that affects the metabolism of phenylalanine. Individuals with PKU can manage their condition through a carefully controlled diet, demonstrating how environmental intervention can mitigate the effects of a genetic mutation. Similarly, in the plant world, the color of hydrangea flowers can change based on soil pH levels, illustrating how environmental factors directly affect phenotypic expression. The relationship between genetics and environment extends into the realm of mental health as well. Individuals with a genetic predisposition to certain mental health conditions may find themselves at a greater risk of developing these issues when exposed to significant stressors in their environment. This interplay highlights the importance of considering both genetic and environmental factors in understanding mental health outcomes. In conclusion, the intricate dance between genetics and the environment shapes the traits and characteristics of organisms in profound ways. While genetics lays the groundwork, it is the environment that colors the canvas, influencing how traits are expressed and ultimately defining the rich tapestry of life. Understanding this interplay not only enhances our knowledge of biology, but also informs approaches to health, conservation, and the nurturing of future generations.